What's going on, guys? All right, I'm gonna install the NRG quick release on the R34. So as you can see, it's a pain in the butt to get in and out of here. I already got the wheel kind of off, so I'll just go ahead, take the rest off, show you how to install it. Reattach the horn. Alright, we're gonna finish the install on this NRG hub quick release. So this is a ATC steering wheel that came with the R34. It was already on there. Those of you that don't know, ATC is actually it's actually a really well-known company out here in Japan. They make wheels for like Keys Racing and Pro Drive, stuff like that. So really high-end companies, which I didn't know about actually until I got here and looked into them. So I'll be keeping that one for now. So let's get with the install. Alright, a few days later, finally off again. We're going to install the NISMO short shifter on the R34 here. Shouldn't take too long. As you can see, there's a little bit of play in it. Actually not much, but it does take longer throws. So once we install this short shifter, hopefully it's a little bit more crisp. Got that boot off. Now, I'm not sure if you can see, there's a little retaining clip down there. So basically it has two holes. I gotta rig this bobby pin to try and get those two to clip on there, and I'll be able to pull that retaining clip out. Alright, so I got this little clip out here. As you can see, there's two little holes. You need kind of like a special tool to get it. It's a pain in the ass. So once you do get it out though, everything else should just fall right out of place. So let's see. Yep. So literally now the shifter just pops right out, and we'll be replacing it with the new NISMO one. So here is the old one. Show you guys the new one in a second. So here you can see the comparison in the two. It is slightly shorter. Other than that, it looks pretty similar. The diameter of the two are a little different as well. So once we install it, we'll see how much it actually does change. Alright, so finally got that little clip back in. If you don't have the tool, it is a pain in the ass to get that thing in, but it's in, it's locked in. Definitely could feel a difference in the throws of the shift. So going to put everything back together, basically reverse order, and then take it for a test drive. Working on the R34, taking off this ugly ass stock exhaust that I bought from the junkyard to pass inspection, and we're going to install the new one in a minute. Finished it up, looking clean. Got the cat delete on there. Now I just need to get the pipe, but finished it up, looks good. Sorry for the quality of the video on the last one for the exhaust. I kind of just shot it on Instagram. Didn't really bring my camera to go videotape it, but it's all right. So I'm going to do a quick drive, show you guys the exhaust and the NISMO short quick shift, how that's working. So I'm going to wrap up this video after that, and then have a few more parts coming in, so stay tuned for that as well. So it's driving really well. The new NISMO short shift, definitely I can feel a difference in it. The exhaust, obviously, with the cat delete, it's a lot louder. Sounds really good. Not too much drone. As long as you play with the pedal, you can kind of eliminate the drone depending on how you're driving it. But it is raining out, so I can't, and yeah, I can't really get on it right now, but definitely sounds good. Everything's working great. Just waiting to go to the shop. It's called Crank Neo, few miles down, get my alignment done. So once I get that, it should be running perfect. So happy the way everything was done. Turned out great. So appreciate you guys staying till the end, checking out the video. Definitely catch you guys next time.